Getting a clear look at Saturn's rings or Jupiter's moons usually costs a fortune, and most cheap telescopes just show a blurry blob. I spent my own money on the top 5 entry-level telescopes to see which ones actually work for viewing planets. I've been out in my backyard for weeks testing these so you don't have to. Product number 1, Hexeum 80 Aperture 600 Refractor Telescope. When I first pulled this Hexeum telescope out of its backpack, I noticed how light it felt for something with an 80 lens. It's got a real glass lens, which I appreciate because it doesn't feel like a toy. One thing that stood out during my testing was the positioning gimbal. It has little scales on it that actually made it easy to nudge the scope exactly where I wanted. I used the K20 eyepiece first to find Jupiter, and the image was surprisingly bright thanks to that green coating on the glass. The phone adapter is a bit unique too. It's marked specifically for each eyepiece, so I didn't have to fiddle around to get a clear shot of the moon. If you want a complete travel kit that's easy to point, this is a solid pick. It's definitely more comfortable than the basic mounts I've used previously. Product number 2, 80 Aperture 600 Portable Refracting Telescope. This 80 refractor felt almost identical in build quality to the last one, but I noticed it includes a 3x Barlow lens in the box. When I was testing this on Saturn, that Barlow lens trebled the power of the 10 eyepiece, giving me a much larger view of the planet. I found that the multi-fully coated lens really helped with clarity, cutting down on those weird reflections you get with cheap glass. My favorite part, though, was the wireless remote. It allowed me to snap photos on my phone without touching the telescope, which is huge because even a tiny vibration can ruin a high magnification shot. The setup literally took me 5 minutes without looking at a single tool. If you're looking for a portable scope that lets you zoom in a bit deeper on the moon's craters, this kit has the right accessories. It is great. Product number 3, 80 Aperture 600 Mazy Mount with Moon Filter. I spent a few nights with this high-powered 80 refractor and immediately noticed a small but vital accessory, the moon filter. When I held the filter up, I could tell it was going to save my eyes from the glare. During my testing, the filter only let about 13% of the light through, which actually made the details on the moon and Jupiter pop with way more contrast. The aluminum tripod is quite stable too. I could adjust it from sitting to standing height without it feeling flimsy. Like the others, it has that 80 aperture which captures enough light to make Saturn's rings visible on a clear night. Setting it up was painless since no tools are needed. If you specifically want to spend a lot of time looking at the bright moon or bright planets, having that filter included makes this the one to buy. It's solid. Product number 4, 70 Aperture 500 Astronomical Telescope. Taking this 70 scope out, I noticed it's slightly smaller and more compact than the 80 models. It has a 500 focal length, and when I looked through the diagonal mirror, the view was crisp and easy on the eyes. During my testing, the 5x24 finder scope was a lifesaver for quickly spotting bright objects like Venus. I was able to get some decent shots of the lunar surface to show my friends without much hassle. While the aperture is a bit smaller, the high-quality optics still provided a pretty stunning view of the night sky. The aluminum tripod is easy to pack into the carrying case for a quick trip to a dark sky site. It's a great portable option if you're just starting out and want something lightweight for family camping trips. Love it. Product number 5, G-Skyer 70 Aperture 400 Travel Telescope. Finally, I tested the G-Skyer 70, which is probably the most famous travel telescope out there. When I held the tube, I noticed it's much shorter than the others at 400. This actually gives it a wider field of view, which I found helpful when I was trying to find my way around the stars. During my testing, the 3x Barlow lens was essential for getting enough magnification to really see planetary detail. The fully coated glass lens did a great job protecting my eyes while keeping the images bright. My favorite part about this one is the carry bag. Everything fits inside so perfectly that it's become my go-to grab-and-go scope for road trips. It's simple, effective, and sets up in about 10 seconds. If you need something that won't take up any space in the car but still delivers a clear view, G-Skyer is hard to beat. Total win.